MongoDB on Mac. Install Query Compass. 3 minutes. Go. First, tap the official MongoDB. Now install the Community Edition. Verify with mongod -- version. You should see 8.0 or newer. Start MongoDB as a background. Check the status. The daemon listens on port 27017. That's the default. Connect to the database with mongosh. Switch to a new database with use. Show DBE's list all databases. Show collections lists what's inside the current one. Insert a document. Just JavaScript find queries return matching document. Update with updateOne. Set delete matches. And that's full CRUD. 4 verbs, you're productive. MongoDB Compass is the official GUI. Open it. Query builder, index view, aggregation pipeline, all without leaving the app. MongoDB exports your database to BSON files. Point it at the Mongo restore reads those files back. MongoDB on Mac, fully operational. Install, query, visualize, backup. Done.